Audley, the worst bit about this is that you think you're sexy.
You're merely a shrub. You're a bulb that sighs.
You are mere fetus.
You're a fetus. A fetus.
Shove it now. Shove it. Yes. Shut that. Oh, Jason Derulo. Jason Derulo.
No, we got a video of that already. You're boring. Oh yeah, triple fuck. Yeah, we haven't got that.
Guys, just giving me carpet burns on my knee. On my knee.
So, feel my foot. Singing. Let's go.
Where's your foot?
Tilly.
Oh.